Here is why you should never hire interns and vibe coders to work on security critical projects like Safari. Let's see what's new in Safari 26. I'm also running the latest version of Sequoia 15.7. Let's close this tab. Oh wait, it doesn't work. I also cannot edit the address and I cannot refresh. This button is also broken. So everything inside the tab is broken, except of course I can navigate to a new page or another, but I cannot close them. Now you might be wondering, hey, something like that should be pretty obvious to see and address by the quality assurance team. But hey, who said Apple has a quality assurance team? And who said you can expect good code from vibe coders and from interns? They are new. You cannot expect these people to design quality code. They are there to learn. You should give them something simple to get started, not something that can be exploited and then people get hacked. And talking about hacked, let's see something interesting. I had a crash. And look, it's a kernel invalid address. So not only it's accessing invalid memory, which of course is memory corruption, and memory corruption is usually exploitable, but we're talking about kernel space. So this might as well include privilege escalation. So well done, Apple. Keep the good vibe coding. Let's see what else is new. Of course, Xcode is in the heart of iOS and macOS development, so we can expect to see a lot of improvements there. For example, let's compare the tabs between 16.4 and 26. On 16.4, you can see that all of the text is clearly visible. If you have too many open tabs, then you can scroll and find the one you need and activate it. So let's see how Apple improved this. Oh, wait, they made it unreadable. How is this usable? Well, I don't know. Let's see what else is improved. Perhaps the touch bar. Here we have stop, start, navigation, command, rename, ident, and navigate to symbol definition. Let's see how this is improved. Oh, why did they remove this? I mean, they can surely put something usable in this space. But wait, we should be able to bring it all back, of course. We can customize the touch bar, you know. We just go to View, Customize Touch Bar, and configure it the way we want. So let's do this on Xcode 26. Wait, you don't think Apple is that stupid? They thought about this and, of course, made it gray. So this button no longer works. You're stuck with what they gave you. I'm sure this will make developers more productive, especially those using a touch bar. So, what else is improved? Let's see my notes. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have any notes, right? It's that after all, it says I have no notes. And if this was your notes, now you might be panicking and saying, oh, all my notes are gone? Thanks, Apple. No, it's not that bad. You just click here and again, and now your notes are back. That's the workaround. Now let's see how to improve Safari. If we navigate to settings, tabs, and then tab layout, we can switch to separate. And now that the tabs are separated, we can change tabs, we can refresh, we can edit, and of course we can open and close tabs. So everything seems to work until you decide, oh wait, I need more vertical space. Let me go back to compact. And now they are broken again. Something obvious as that. How did they miss them? I don't know. And here are the feedbacks. And well done, Apple. Keep hiring vibe coders. I'm sure that nothing bad can happen. And of course, I'm sure there are no kernel exploits and no exploits in Safari. Or maybe they are.